Now the second option to build a list is obviously you can use a Lander. You can use website registration form instead of ManyChat. So once they click on the QR code, your website will pop up. On the website, it will be a 180 registration form. And in that same website, you have to install Google Tag and Facebook Pixel, so that you can know and you can retarget all of them who are visiting that page. Obviously, because they are your customers, they have purchased once. There is a saying here. There is a saying in our marketing industry that if a customer buys from you once, first sale is the most hardest sale. The second sale is the cheapest and it is the easiest. So obviously when you're retargeting, the second sale will be the cheapest. It will be your second purchase from the same customer. So once they are getting in that website, filling up that form, you're obviously getting them as an email list, but email open rates are very low. But the second audience you are building is your pixel audience and your Google Tag audience. You can retarget them through shopping ads. Now shopping ads will not retarget them to the Amazon website, obviously they will take them to your own website.